fingers. Okay. Again, today is June 9th, 2011. Here we are in Riyadh, and this is the water that we are seeing that is flowing. It is coming from the wastewater plant and the ground plant, and all of this greenery that is growing shows that this water is good enough for growing of biodiesel Jatropha. And with this quantity of volume, the cubic, we'll measure it. This is like one of the canals in Punjab, in Sindh, in Pakistan, where this water is flowing non-stop. The speed of this water is greater than what I have seen in the canals of Pakistan. And what I feel like that this water is growing castor, it is growing this grass. The quality of this grass, these leaves, it shows that this is this with no fertilizer, nothing, even those small plants. I think it is most likely tomato or something that is growing. So this water that is available, which is going like this, which is flowing, we can convert this desert into green forest using this. And our goal is, see, look at this plant. This plant, would look at the size of this tree. The leaf, it is this size of the leaf is longer than my palm. So, and this is growing wild. And by this is what I mean, that Jatropha can grow here, all of this greenery that is here. So we should not even waste one day with all of this water available. People were saying that there is no water in Saudi Arabia, and this is water everywhere. They have built those embankments. So once we start it, we need the government to get involved, we need the municipalities to get involved, and we need to have the alternative energy, Dr. Yamani, to understand what we are talking about, to make the emission of carbon as less as possible. And that is possible by making this into biodiesel. I am very, very excited. We have grown Jatropha in many places, but this is probably one of the best sites that I have seen with this leaf. Look at the green, look at so fresh it is. The yield of Jatropha here with this water would be as good as any in the world, in India, China, America, Central Asia. So and these are trucks that are going. We can use these trucks to grow. See, each minute, each 10 seconds there is a water truck that is going. All these trucks are water, and water is being carried here back and forth in this plant. The trucks are coming, bringing in dirty water, taking out clean water, and water is life. It has to be, the vision has to be there to convert all of this into green forest. If the government in Riyadh will allow us, we will put a 10-kilometer wide area all around Riyadh, which would be totally in green forest we can make. It is a great surprise that nobody thought that they could use this water. Look at that forestry, look at those green, tall grass that is growing, and the trees. This is unbelievable. Now I'm going to challenge the municipality and the various departments in Saudi Arabia. I'm going to send this video YouTube to them, and I will say, join us. We will come here and we will make Riyadh one of the greenest places on earth, inshallah. Thank you very much.